Hey y'all, today we are trying out the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. It says with hyaluronic and aloe vera. It says it has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera long wear formula with natural coverage, finish, and weightless feel. So of course we have it on now. They have 16 shades online at Ulta, and this is only $6.99, you guys. $6.99. So on Essence's website, they have 35 shades. So Ulta's only carrying part. They did that with the Catrice foundation as well. I don't know why they're doing that, but at least they have some shades. If you are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting. I want you guys to see my skin, my imperfections, redness, rosacea, everything. That way you can see how this little baby covers. No artificial lighting here. Nothing's blurred, none of that. This is my skin. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and let's hop in. Oh my gosh, this feels so freaking good on the under eye. This is not supposed to be in the video, but wow. This is the e.l.f. Cooling Under Eye Refresh. And you guys, it feels amazing on the under eye. Okay, I will keep you guys posted on that one because it does feel great on the under eye. Anyway, let's get into what we are here for. This is in the shade 090 Neutral Suede. This has hyaluronic acid and aloe, natural coverage. It's supposed to be medium buildable coverage, and it's supposed to last for 24 hours. We won't have this on for 24, but we will have it on for quite some time. You guys know we're doing a wear test. I have just my regular skincare on. Of course, when we are trying out new foundation, we never use a primer because, well, we want to see what this baby will do. So I'm going to put some of this on the back of the hand. It's just a little squeezy bottle. And it says that you can apply this with your hands, your fingers, and a brush or a sponge, but at the bottom it does say a sponge is recommended. So to try to get the best coverage, I'm going to use a brush first, and then we will smooth it with a sponge. Let me scoot in here for you guys. Okay, I just had a facial done, so you're gonna see a few spots on my face where we did do extractions, so overlook that. I put quite a bit out. It feels very moisturizing on the skin, almost cooling, but that was not enough. So I'm gonna put a wee bit more out. We'll go ahead, blend this baby in, and see what we can do with this. Definitely lighter coverage. It's not really covering too much, but it is supposed to be buildable. Let's hope. Let me grab a mirror to where I can see a little better. Yeah, this doesn't go very far. Like, I'm used to that amount going a lot further, but it's not. This is vegan, supposed to be, you know, good for your skin, lots of good ingredients. Definitely sheer. So I'm gonna add more. Yeah, this doesn't go very far. Keep that one in consideration. Like, I've put out quite a bit. It doesn't feel heavy at all on the skin. I'm just using quite a bit of product. Yeah, this, you can see my spots here. It's very sheer. Even with building it up on this side, it's still light coverage at max. You can see there on the nose, it's just really, really light coverage. I'm just running over everything with the sponge. I think it looks really pretty on the skin. It's just a lot more sheer than I thought it would be on my skin anyway. I think it's light coverage. I don't think we're getting to medium coverage. And as far as application goes, I don't think it's really that different from a brush to a sponge. Normally you will get better coverage with a brush, but I think it really is about the same. I think they're telling you, sorry, I think they're telling you to use a sponge just because that's going to give you the most natural look you can get with this. But it does look very pretty on the skin. I like how it has a nice natural glow to it. Like, it's not overly dewy. It's very, very natural looking on the skin. I will have to conceal the nose for sure because that's not covering, and that's a soft spot for me. That nose just being red right there. I hate it, especially where it is something new. Ugh, I hate it. Okay, so this is what we've got. Like I said, you can still see the redness. You can still see spots. The overall finish is very, very pretty. It's a little bit tacky. I'm gonna let it sit here for a few, see if it completely dries down, and then we will go from there. I'll let you guys know all of what I did, all of that, and I will see you guys in just a minute. All right, my lovelies, this is what we have. I did not set the face. It set down enough to where I could easily blend powder products over it. I only set the under eye, nothing else. But everything, like I said, my bronzer, blush, everything blended over it beautifully. I think it's a very natural look. I amped it up a little bit with a wing, just a small wing. But I think it looks really, really great. It doesn't accentuate pores or texture. I think it is, I mean, pretty natural, yes. So I think the name is like spot on for this. I am shocked where it is light coverage and how much I like it. I think it's high light coverage. You might border medium with this, but not really. I did conceal several spots, my nose here or there. So if you see a little bit more coverage, that's why. It's not powder or anything. But I like it. I think it looks very pretty on the skin. It has a very natural, slightly dewy finish, but I'm loving it. So this is what we've got. We are gonna do a wear test on this baby. We'll see how long we can go. So I'll do a check-in in just a little while. Okay guys, I am so sorry. I got so busy. I didn't get to do any check-ins. You can see how dark it's gotten. This foundation has been on for 10 hours. 10 hours. I almost forgot to even do my outro or finish the video. But it looks really, really good. Like, I'm shocked at how good it looks. The nose doesn't look the best, but I've had a super duper runny nose, so I think that's more my fault than the product's fault, plus it wasn't set. So take that into consideration. I again think this is very smoothing, very nourishing, very natural. I like this. I think especially in spring and summer, it's going to be something that I'm going to love. I like less makeup in spring and summer on the daily. So this is going to be one you can really throw on, have more of a natural look, and be out the door. Also, it's great that it's long wearing. I'm going to keep this on until I wash my face and go to bed. So I will leave it down below how many hours I had it on. It should be at least 16 hours before I actually take it off. So if it stays in place like it has, this one, I mean, it's a winner already, but if it's, you know, super long wearing, and especially without it being set, it's a definite winner. And I agree, it does feel very, very good on the skin. Like how they have that weightless claim, it really does feel so good and light on the skin, very refreshing. So as of right now, I have no complaints. It hasn't worn down super, super hard or anything. So I pretty much love this. Sorry about this hair, just it is what it is, you guys. But yeah, I love this. I do recommend this. I'm glad they have so many shades. Like I said, Ulta's carrying 16, but Essence has 35 on their website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to kind of chill out for a while, and then We'll see how this wears. If it starts getting really bad or anything, I'll pop a picture in, but I don't think it will. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.